Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on an incredible journey to worlds forged in fire. Worlds where colossal volcanoes erupt under alien skies. We often think of volcanoes as destructive forces. But what if I told you that on these fiery giants could be the very architects of life? It's a mind-bending idea. So buckle up as we explore the cosmic fires that might be shaping life across the galaxy. Let's start right here in our own solar system. Look at the Jupiter's hyperactive moon. It's the most volcanically active body we know of, a world constantly resurfacing itself with sulfurous lava. Io is a harsh place, bombarded with radiation and lacking a thick atmosphere. Life, as we know it, couldn't survive there. But Io gives us a stunning example of how planetary geology can be driven by external forces. In this case, the immense gravitational pull of Jupiter. This tidal heating churns Io's interior, creating a hellish but fascinating landscape. It's a natural laboratory that teaches us about the extreme possibilities of planetary volcanism. Now, let's take that concept and travel light years away. Astronomers are discovering exoplanets that make Io look tame. We're talking about super and lava worlds. Planets so close to their stars that their surfaces are permanent oceans of molten rock. Imagine a world where it rains vaporized rock and the winds are supersonic blasts of hot silicate gas. It sounds like a nightmare, right? But even in these extreme environments, there might be glimmers of hope for life. The boundary between the scorching day side and the frozen night side. The Terminator zone could have more stable temperatures. Maybe, just maybe, life could find a foothold there, powered by the planet's internal heat. Volcanoes do more than just spew lava. They are planetary engines. On Earth, volcanic activity was crucial for creating our atmosphere and oceans. Volcanoes release enormous amounts of gases, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. These are the building blocks of our atmosphere. They trap heat, stabilize the climate, and provide the raw materials for life to begin. On an alien world, volcanoes could do the same thing, essentially terraforming the planet from the inside out. A young, cold planet could be warmed by volcanic greenhouse gases, melting ice, and creating the liquid water essential for life. But it gets even more interesting. Volcanoes create what are called chemical gradients. This is just a fancy way of saying they create areas with a rich mix of different chemicals and energy sources. Think of hydrothermal vents on Earth's ocean floor. These deep-sea volcanic vents are teeming with life, organisms that thrive on chemicals like hydrogen sulfide instead of sunlight. They represent a completely different branch of the tree of life, powered by geothermal energy. On an exoplanet, especially an ocean world, hidden under a thick sheet of ice, like Jupiter e Moon Europa, volcanic vents on the seafloor could be the perfect cradle for life. They would provide warmth, shelter from surface radiation, and a constant supply of chemical food. In these dark deep oceans, entire ecosystems could exist, completely independent of their star's light. The type of volcano also matters. On Earth, we have different kinds of volcanic eruptions, from the gentle lava flows in Hawaii to the explosive eruptions of Mount St. Helens. The same would be true on other worlds, but the chemistry could be wildly different. Imagine a cryovolcano, a volcano that erupts ice and frozen ammonia instead of molten rock. We see these on moons like Enceladus and Triton in our own solar system. These icy plumes could carry complex organic molecules from a subsurface ocean into space, giving us a tantalizing hint of life hidden below. An orbiting spacecraft could literally fly through these plumes and sample them, looking for biosignatures without ever needing to land. The minerals and elements that volcanoes bring to the surface are also critical. Elements like phosphorus, sulfur, and various metals are essential for life's biochemistry. Volcanoes act like a planet's delivery service, mining these vital ingredients from the deep interior and depositing them on the surface where fledgling life can access them. A geologically dead planet would quickly have its surface nutrients washed away or locked up, starving any potential life. But a world with active volcanism is a world that is constantly replenishing itself, providing a sustained environment where life can not only emerge but also evolve and thrive over billions of years. So, when we look up at the stars and search for habitable worlds, we shouldn't just be looking for Earth 2.0. Life might be hiding in places we'd least expect, on worlds that seem hostile to us. The presence of active volcanism could be one of the most important biosignatures we can look for. It's a sign that a planet is alive, not just biologically, but geologically. A dynamic, churning world is a world of possibility. Using powerful new tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists can now analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, looking for volcanic gases like sulfur dioxide. Finding it would be a huge discovery, telling us that a distant world has an active interior and, just maybe, the right conditions for life. It completely reframes how we see these fiery cosmic phenomena. Volcanoes aren't just destructive, they are creative. They are the heart of a planet, pumping life-giving energy and materials to the surface. From the sulfur plains of Vesubio to the dark, vent-filled oceans of an ice world, volcanoes provide the heat, the chemicals, and the dynamic environments that could give rise to life forms beyond our wildest imagination. The search for alien life is intrinsically linked to the search for these cosmic fires. What do you think? Could life be thriving on a volcanic world right now, completely different from anything on Earth? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this journey into the heart of alien worlds, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. See you next time.